Welcome to my channel CSC Education. Myself Subhadip Mordani, lecturer in mathematics. Today I will discuss the topic is integration of the form of this and the related type of integrations. Okay. So that first of all, integration of this type. Proof of these questions or this integration is now the integration value f of x divided by f of x. It is a substitution method by integrations. Okay. So firstly, put in the f of x equals to t the functions. T is a function of f of x, that means t by tx both sides because function is x here. Now d by dx of this, that means d by dx of f of x equals to dt by dx. This implies the derivative of f of x is f of x. This value equals to dt or dt by dx. This implies that f of x of dx equals to here dt, because your function is first of all in the integration type of f of x divided by f of x of dx. Okay, so that I am putting the substitution method of by integration. So firstly, f of x is the put of t is the function, t is a function of x, that means derivative both sides d by dx. Okay, so that derivative of f of x is the f of x equals to dt by dx. But here I am putting the f of x with the value of t, so that f of x dx is the value equals to dt. Now this value is equal to here dt divided by t. We know that the integrations dt by t is the ln of t plus of c. C is the integration constant or arbitrary constant. Now this value equals to ln t. T is the value of f of x, so that here put this value plus of c. This is the type of integrations. Okay. So firstly, I am the general form of this. I am used the trigonometric form of this format. Okay. Suppose integration of tan x of dx. Okay. It is a form. This value equals to, first of all, tan x is converted to the sin x divided by cos of x dx here now. Firstly, by the integration substitution method, firstly in this form, in the second value, that means put cos of x equal to here t. So t is a function of x. Now d by dx both sides, that means derivative of cos x, we know that the derivative of cos x minus of sin of x equals to dt divided by dx. But here a conversion is now sin of x dx, but here minus sin x is the value. So this implies that value is firstly converted sin x dx minus sin x dx equal to dt. But here your conversion part is sin x dx, so minus of both sides, so this value is plus, so sin of x dx equal to here minus dt. Alright. So putting this value in the given functions or integral values, so this value equals to sin x dx is the value is minus dt divided by cos x is the value is t. Here now integration, so value minus is the constant value, so integration constant common, so this value dt by t here, so this value equals to minus ln of t plus c. Okay, minus ln of t, so that minus ln the inverse part, so that alright, again t the form, t the value is cos of x plus of c. So or this value, it is your answer, or another answer is now 1 ln of sec of x plus c. This is the format of a tan x. Okay. I am next to be cot x. What is cot x? So integration of cot of x dx. So firstly, this value is cos of x divided by sin x first conversion. By the in the trigonometry ratio, it is quotient relation. In the quotient relation, cot x is given or cos x divided by sin x. That means now putting the value which f of x is divided by f of x format, because in the sin x of derivative is cos x, in the upper level cos x factor, so it is the fourth. Firstly, sin x equals to t now. Okay, t is the function of x. Now derivative of both side t by tx. Okay, so sin of derivative is cos of x equals to dt by tx. Because in the sin x part is t, so that cos x dx equal to here conversion part is cos of x dx equals to here now dt. So value of sin x is t, cos x dx is dt. So this value equals to dt divided by t in the integrations. We know that the integration of dt by t is ln of t, so this value is ln t plus of c. Alright, now this value equals to ln t is the factor of sin x, putting this value in this given equations. Now the value is sin of x of this factor. Okay, ln sin x plus c is your answer of cot integrations of x. Okay, then I am another bit is given you or solve that. Firstly, in the sec of x dx, sec x dx, it is the format 1 by cos. 1 by cos is the not a given format. So this value equals to firstly conversion of sec x. What is the relation in between sec? Which type of trigonometry relation? I know that sec is the relation of trigonometry relation, square relation only used for, so that first upper in the upper part sec of x plus of tan of x in the multiplier or divided by sec x plus tan x. Okay, of dx. Here now this value equals to sec square x first upper plus sec x tan x of sec x plus of integration. So now I have put in the lower part sec x plus tan x equal to t. So here t is a function of x. So derivative both side of with respect to x. So that t by dx both side in the derivative of sec x is sec x multiplied of tan x plus tan x is the derivative is sec square of x equals to dt by dx. It is the format of this. So given the value is now conversion sec square x plus sec x tan x multiplied of dx equals to here now dt. So put this value in the given part. So this value equals to now the value is here dt divided by t again. Okay, we know that dt by t in the integrations is ln of t plus of c. This value equals to ln t is the factor here now t is the factor is sec x plus of tan x plus c. Here c the integration constant. Okay, I am another bit is the format cosec x. What is cosec x? Integration of cosec x. In the integration of cosec x of now in the cosec iterator in the square relation is so cosec x minus of cot x in the upper part multiplied divided by similar factor in the lower part cosec x minus cot of x dx here. So see this factor equals to now cosec square x minus cosec x into cot of x whole divided by cosec x minus cot of x dx in the integration. Okay, now in the lower part put this factor, put suppose cosec x minus of cot of x equals to t is the function of x. Now this implies that d by dx both sides, so derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot of x minus cosec square of x, the minus factor equals to dt by dx. So in this factor minus cosec x in the cot of x minus and minus value is plus of cosec square of x equals to dt by dx. In this conversion of the given part, now cosec square of x minus cosec x into cot x of dx equals to here dt. So putting this value in the given part, so this value equals to, the value is now dt divided by t. So this will equals to ln t plus of c. This value equals to now ln of t, the factor is cosec of x minus cot x plus of c. C is the integration constant now. Evaluate integration 2x plus 5 divided by x square plus 5x minus of 7. I am putting this forward of these questions because evaluations of integration based upon integrations of f of x divided by f of x of dx value equals to ln f of x plus c is the formula. So that this question is in this format. So here f of x is the in the lower part x square plus 5x minus 7, because in the upper part is f of x, because this derivative part is this. Okay, I put this part in this format. Put suppose x square plus 5x minus 7 equals to t. T is a function of x. That means this implies that t is a function derivative of both sides with respect to x. So x square derivative is 2x plus 5x derivative is 5 minus 7 7 is the constant factor in the constant of derivative is 0. So that this value equals to now dt by tx. This value implies that in the concept here x square plus 5x minus 7 is t is the t form variables. So in this format it converted to t format. So this value equals to 2x plus 5 multiplied of dx equals to here dt. So this value equals to dt. Putting this value in this part, so this value is dt divided by t in the integrations. So this value equals to in the ln of t plus of c. This value equals to ln t is the form of x square plus 5x minus of 7 plus c. C is the here arbitrary constant or integration constant. Now put this form in this formula, we get your results in these questions. Okay, I have another examples. Evaluate integration of e to power x minus of e to power minus x divided by e to power x plus e to power minus x of dx. This is also of this format because I am firstly in the underlined part evaluations of our integration based upon this format. Okay, so here put now in the lower part e to power x plus e to power minus x equal to t suppose. So t is a function of here x. So derivative of d by dx both side. So this factor e to power x, derivative e to power x plus e to power minus x, derivative e to power minus x. Again minus of 1 because minus x derivative minus 1. This value equals to dt by dx. This value implies that e to power x minus of e to power minus x. This value equals to dt by dx. In this given part, e to power x minus e to power of dx in one level. So here converted to this part, e to power x minus e to power minus x of dx equals to here dt. This value equals to here. The value is now dt divided by t. In the integration, so here value is ln of t plus c. This implies, so this equals to ln t. The factor is e to power x plus e to power minus of x plus c. Here c is the integration constant. Okay. And another question solved in this format. Integrations sec square of x divided by 3 plus 10x. Okay, I put on the lower part, put 3 plus of tan x equals to t. T is a function of x, so both side d by dx. T is a constant, 3 is a constant factor 0 of derivative. This 10x derivative is sec square of x equals to dt by dx. In this given part, sec square x dx in the one format. So sec square x dx equals to here dt. This value equals to here the dt divided by again t. This value equals to ln t plus of c. So ln of t, t is a part, value is 3 plus of tan of x plus c. Today I will discuss evaluations of integration based upon this format. So my dear students, in this format I am telling in the previous video or in this video some questions. Share my channel and comment my channels. Then I am try to best level to next video. Thank you.